Today we have a very simple problem. We have an angle x and we have a bunch of segments of the same length here. And we know that the last angle right here is 90 degrees, and that's all we know. And we are asked to find this angle x here. Now this problem is actually quite easy, so you may want to try to do it in your head and then we can compare the notes. The main two things you need to know here is that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees and that the angles at the base of an isosceles triangle are congruent. So first let's look at this blue triangle right here. It's an isosceles triangle. This side and this side have the same length. In isosceles triangle, angles at the base are congruent. That means this angle right here is x2. Angle over here is 180 minus these two angles. It's 180 minus 2x. And angle over here could be found by the fact that this angle plus the angle right here together should give us 180 degrees. So this angle will be 2x. Next thing we look at the green triangle. Again, it's an isosceles triangle. This angle right here at the base should be 2x as well. Angle at the very top should be 180 minus these two angles. And now to find this angle, we need to know that this angle plus this angle and plus this angle together give us 180 degrees. So this angle right here will be 3x. The gray triangle over here is an isosceles triangle. Angle right here should be 3x. Angle right here should be 180 minus these two angles. And this angle we obtained by taking 180 and subtracting this and this angle, and we get a 4x. Now the yellow triangle, again, is an isosceles triangle. Angle right here should be 4x. Angle at the top should be 180 minus 8x. Angle right here should be 5x. So all these three angles give us 180 degrees. Now the last white triangle is an isosceles triangle. This is 5x, and the angle right here will be 180 minus these two angles. The last thing we need to remember that these two angles together, 4x and angle here, 180 minus 10x, give us 90 degrees. So that gives us an equation here, which we can easily solve and find that x equals to 15 degrees. This is it. Were you able to do it in your head? If you did, please leave a comment.